research program. The other one
nĩ arũgamĩrĩri a Unibacĩtĩ itiganĩte arĩa matũnganĩte hamwe Nairobi kwarĩra mĩbango ya ũrĩa gĩthomo kĩa CBE gĩkwanjia gũbundithio thukuru-inĩ cia Unibacĩtĩ.
And so the framework of CBE is what we are here to discuss. How are we going to handle this knowledge in this new context? And it is exciting, because this is a space where that individual innovation is going to come up very strongly.
We are also going to have to think about how to revise the teaching and assessment methods, because what we have been doing before is very content oriented. So we give you an exam, we sit you somewhere, you write it back and we mark it. But now we are saying just being in the head is not sufficient. We need to see how you are able to apply the content that you have learned.
Maugĩte gĩthomo kĩu nĩ gĩgũteithia arutwo kuona matukũ tũrĩ marabatara ũgĩ mũingĩ wa kothi cia moko ĩndĩ to wa mabuku tu.
Having a nice certificate that says you are a first class graduate student may not be that useful in the course of the time, because employers are going to start asking, but what can you do with the first class degree that you have? So the students need to start thinking about that.
Higher education is undergoing profound transformation globally. As you know, consistently we're talking about advances in technology, advances in AI, automation. Our demographics are changing every day. We have issues of climate change, and of course the nature of work is really changing as we move along. So it's important that our graduates catch up.
Oho abitha a rũhonge rwa gĩthomo maugĩte Unibacĩtĩ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ciĩharĩirie nĩguo gũkinyanĩria matanya ma rũhonge rũrũ hoka nĩ gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ.
In 2029, we are expecting the first cohort of those students into our universities. And what we are doing now is constantly, collaboratively, in partnership, consistently started having these conversations to ensure that we have a policy and a framework that can be adopted to ensure that we receive our students into our programs when we are already CBET ready.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Ngigĩ.